I put stickers on 15 boxes, 2 cups, and I wrapped a string around some rags and tie. And now I'm eating breakfast. Good morning.
Yeah, no problem. Okay. Yes, with good effort you can. So then that's when the real discussion begins. So keep thinking about the number, but when you get accepted, then that's when you'll have an opportunity to discuss with Sean. Put out 1,200 plus patients.
Three computer screens, one of me. It's fun because it's not my work, so I can put up with it for sharpen all the time. But if it's my work, Ava. It's 2 o'clock in the morning and my owner is still making baskets. Well, it's 3 o'clock. I think I should go to sleep because I'm gonna wake up like after 8 or 9 or so. I don't have a job, but I wake up early. Oh, the struggles of life. So this was day 3.